Hey, welcome back to episode number 26 of the VA Mastery Series, where every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern, I share 3 actionable strategies to help you build a thriving virtual assistant business from home. Now, if you are joining us live today, go ahead and drop a live in the comments so I know that you're here. And if you're catching the replay later, make sure to comment #replay so we can keep the conversation going. Now, I do see that... I'm telling you, StreamYard is not allowing me to stream inside of my Facebook group. This happened the last time too, so something's going on. So I just need to do my thing again, and I want to contact my team. So Raga or Ann, if you can see me in Instagram, just can you just go to my YouTube channel and share the YouTube stream into the Facebook group, please? And I am going to find you on Messenger right now. All right, so in groups, I'm not working in groups. So, and this is what we have to do. Please stream YouTube into group again. There we go. All right, done. Okay, so again, welcome back. I apologize for any technical difficulties, and I'm going to go check again. It just does not want to work. Okay, webcam. All right, you know what? This is what I'm going to do, actually. I'm going to come right over here, and I'm going to go live there. How's that? I'm going to try it this way. All right, hello. My video is starting into the group. I'm trying this a little bit differently today, just not wanting to work for me. So welcome back to episode number 26 of the VA Mastery Series, where every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern, I share 3 actionable strategies to help you build a thriving virtual assistant business right from the comfort of home. Virtual assistant Charlene, hello from Instagram. Hey, Raga over on Instagram. Raga, I was able to, I believe, stream into the Facebook group. I did it a different way, not through StreamYard. So you know what? We'll see how it goes, okay? All right. So again, if you're joining me live today, drop a #live in the comments so that I know that you're here inside the group watching this, and that I know that this is working actually, right? And if you're catching the replay later, just make sure to comment #replay so we can keep this conversation going, okay? All right, so in today's episode, we're gonna be diving into the power of CRM automation, all right? And how you can use this tool to not only streamline your own virtual assistant business, but you can also offer it as a valuable service to your clients, all right? And when you do that, you can create new income streams for yourself, all right? So how exciting is that? And who doesn't want multiple income streams, right? So again, if you're here and you can see me now, say hello. Show me that I'm live here, and I'm actually gonna come back over here. You know what, I'm just gonna check all the technical things because my goodness, there we go. Okay, yay. I see some people. So I see Jeanette is live, and Raga is live, and Ann is live. Good morning, everyone. Oh, my gosh. I think I'm just going to have to start doing it a different way. So I might have to do another video, too, because it looks like the STMP strategy that I had shared with everyone is no longer working, and I don't know why. So this is something we have to figure out, right? But that's okay. That's technology for you. All right, so today's focus. What are we talking about today? Today, we are going to be diving into the world of CRM tools and honestly what their pivotal role in effective virtual collaboration is, okay? And we're gonna talk all about how these tools, they not only enhance your communication and your project management, but they also ensure smooth operations with clients and team members alike, okay? So how cool is that? It's amazing. This is a great topic, and you're gonna see me talking about this topic a lot more, okay? All right, so let's get on with our strategy. So strategy number 1 is streamlining your communication through CRM, all right? So effective communication is really the backbone of any successful virtual collaboration. And CRM tools like Social Connector can really centralize your communications, keeping all of your client interactions in one easy, compact place, right? Just one, like your go-to place, right? One and done. And this really ensures that no message is ever lost, and it actually also enhances your response efficiency, right? We want to be responding to comments and maybe client inquiries, or whatever the case may be, right? So your actionable step today for strategy number one, and strategy number one is streamlining communication through CRM. So today, just take a minute, just a moment to explore the communication features in Social Connector, and then set up some automated responses to some common questions, all right, to save you time and maintain consistency. And there's a lot of different ways that you can do that, all right? And you can, there's instant Instagram messages and things like that. There's a lot of tools. Excuse me. Social Connector is a very powerful tool. There's a lot of different, functionalities, and it's amazing. That's why it's called an all-in-one tool, and really the only tool that you ever need for your business. All right, and I'm so glad that I found it recently. All right, so strategy number two is managing projects and tasks efficiently. And we all know that project management is really crucial for any virtual assistant. And while CRM tools like Social Connector are really at the heart of our discussion today, it's also important to recognize how other tools really complement these systems too, right? So for instance, tools like Slack for communication, all right, Google Workspace for document management, and Zoom for virtual meetings are really essential too. All right, so integrating these with a robust CRM system like Social Connector can really further enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. And that's what we're all about as virtual assistants, right? We're streamlining our own workflows, we're enhancing our own productivity so that we can in turn provide that type of service to a client and help them with the same thing, right? It's like a domino effect, and it's just a win-win situation, and we could just be spreading all of this goodness on and on and on with our clients, all right? And it all starts with ourselves, right? So what I want to do today is I just want to take a practical look at how integrating these tools like Slack and Google Workspace and Zoom with Social Connector, using it together, right, can really enhance your virtual assistant services. So first of all, Slack and Social Connector. Now you can integrate Slack to receive some notifications directly in your Slack channels, maybe about updates or changes within your Social Connector tool, which is it's amazing because you can be working along and these things are happening in the background in Social Connector, and you get a message in your Slack channel, like somebody downloaded your lead magnet, or someone has commented something on one of your Instagram posts. All right. Very cool. And another example is maybe a new client is added, or a task status is updated. Okay. A notification can be sent to any specific Slack channel. All right. It's very, very simple to set up, but this really ensures that your communication is instantaneous, right? And you can react or reply without having to switch back and forth between all these different systems, okay? And it's just a great way for notification, because we get busy during the day, right? And we want to know if someone has commented on something, and we want to respond as soon as we can, right? Now about Google Workspace and Social Connector. Now you can link your Google Calendar with Social Connector so that you can automatically sync your meeting schedules and your deadlines. And this means any meetings that are set up through Social Connector with your clients can automatically appear in your Google Calendar. All right. And similarly, documents created in Google Docs can be linked, or they can be embedded within Social Connector client profiles for really easy access to important files. Okay. As far as Zoom and Social Connector, now, by integrating your Zoom account, if Zoom is your tool of choice, you can automatically create Zoom meeting links for appointments that are scheduled through Social Connector. And this really streamlines your process of the meeting setup and just ensuring that there's no double bookings or there's no scheduling conflicts or anything like that. All right, so each of these integrations that we just talked about really serves to create just a more fluid workflow, reducing the time spent managing different platforms separately, and really allowing you, more time to just focus on delivering top-notch services to your clients. Okay, all right, I'm just going to go over here and check the comments and see how we're doing. All right, okay, so here's your actionable step for strategy number two, and strategy number two is managing projects and tasks efficiently. And that's by, using tools that complement Social Connector. Okay. So your actionable step is, if you're currently using Slack or Google Workspace or Zoom, just consider how all of these can really be integrated into your CM system. All right. Your CRM system workflow. Okay. And really just try to set up these integrations wherever possible to just really ensure like it's gelled together, right? It's a really seamless communication and document sharing across different platforms. Right. It really will make your life easier. Okay. And this will also help you manage your projects, your tasks more efficiently, just keeping all of your client interactions and resources in one accessible place, okay? Because we don't want to be looking all over the place for all these different things, right? Because that's not an efficient way to do that. And really anything that you can do to make your life or your job easier, I'm all for it. How about you? If you agree with that, just give me some fire in the comments, because we do want to make our lives easier and our businesses easier by implementing some of these efficiencies and these automations. Okay. All right. And strategy number 3 for today is enhancing your team collaboration with these integrated tools. Okay. So, because the collaboration just goes way beyond communication, right? And it really just requires, seamless integration of these workflows. Okay. I see some fire in the comments. All right. Yes, I'm excited too. All right. So, and again, social connector enables you to share your documents, manage your calendars, and even integrate with these other tools that we just talked about. All right. So your actionable step for strategy number 3, which is enhancing your team collaboration with these integrated tools, is to actually go and create a shared workspace in Social Connector today. Okay. They do offer a free 14-day trial, so you can immediately invite your team and you can experiment with the collaborative tools that are available, and it's at no upfront cost to you. Okay. So you can just kind of check it out. And, this will really help you get a real sense of how it can streamline your team's collaboration. All right. Okay, so as we wrap up today's discussion on mastering CRM tools for virtual assistants and for effective virtual collaboration, this is what we covered today. We explored how to streamline your communication. We discussed managing your projects efficiently, and we've looked at enhancing team collaboration using Social Connector. All right, so for those interested in taking your virtual assistant business to new heights with more in-depth training, because we only have I like to do these VA Mastery Series in 15 to 20-minute chunks, right? Because nobody got time for 1 hour, podcasts or whatever. So, I wanted to let you know that we do have the VA Vault, which is open now, and it does offer specialized training sessions on all of these topics that we're talking about recently, the CRM stuff, okay, and a lot more topics than that. So if you're interested in learning more about the VA Vault, just comment Vault below, and my team will share the link with you after we're all done here, okay? And also, if you are interested in signing up with Social Connector or exploring the Business in a Box 2.0 program that I've been talking about as of recently, you can also offer this incredible tool, the Social Connector, to your clients. All right, just let me know in the comments or follow the links provided in the description or below. And again, Social Connector does offer a 14-day free trial, so you can check out all of their powerful features at no cost upfront. Okay. All right. So if you have found today's session helpful and you're looking for a way to elevate your VA services and actually command some higher rates, I have an exciting opportunity for you. All right. So, CRM automation is one of the hottest fields right now, and every single entrepreneur out there needs effective automation to stay competitive and really streamline their operations. Okay. And I am thrilled to announce an all new masterclass titled Mastering CRM Automation for Virtual Assistants, which is going to be happening on September 25th at 12 p.m. Okay. And, and this masterclass is really going to be designed to provide you with advanced insights into leveraging CRM tools. It's also going to help you offer specialized services, increase your efficiency, and truly just differentiate yourself in the VA marketplace, okay? So if you're ready to transform your VA career and tap into the high demand for CRM expertise, all right, just comment masterclass below, and our team will send you all the details that you need to join this upcoming session on September 25th. All right. So you're not going to want to miss out on that chance to really boost your skills and increase your value to your clients by, learning how to specialize in a service. All right. For your clients. Okay. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining. And remember to, just stay curious, stay organized, stay automated, or become automated if you're not automated yet, and just keep enhancing your virtual assistant skills. All right. So I will see you next week at the same time, same place. All right. All right. Bye. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.